Stylish lakefront home offers a stunning waterfront setting on 90 feet of lakefront. Boathouse, cottage, main house and detached garage. One-level living with open floor plan. Cathedral ceiling with exposed beam. Gourmet kitchen, granite countertops, stainless appliances. Center island overlooks the dining area. Living room with gas fireplace offering luxury vinyl flooring throughout. Master bedroom with full bath. 2 guest bedrooms and full bath with separate laundry area. Spiral staircase leads to 3rd floor loft/play area. Outdoor living area offers 20 by 10 deck west/sunset awning. Sprawling open lawn that leads to lakefront dock and patio. Bonus cottage with air conditioner. Boat house with overhead garage door and walk around deck. New furnace and air conditioner, upgraded electrical. Outdoor shower and a detached garage with carport.